Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete conversation on Slack. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find a direct message or message thread in Slack and remove a message using the built-in delete option. This is helpful if you want to clean up a conversation, remove something sent by mistake, or simply manage your messages more carefully. To begin, open Slack and make sure you're on the main home screen of your workspace. Once Slack has loaded, take a moment to look over the left-hand sidebar, since that's where most of your navigation options will appear. If your screen looks a little different, that's normal, because Slack layouts can vary slightly depending on your device or workspace settings. Next, look for the Direct Messages section in the sidebar. This is where Slack keeps your one-on-one conversations and smaller message threads. If the section is collapsed, you may need to expand it so you can see the available conversations clearly. Take your time here and make sure you're choosing the correct conversation before moving forward. After that, select the sample message or channel you want to work with. In this case, you'll open the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. Once the conversation opens, find the specific message you'd like to remove. It can help to hover your cursor over the message, since Slack often reveals more options when you do that. When you found the message, click the three-dot menu associated with it. This menu is sometimes called the More Actions menu, and it contains additional options for managing that message. If you don't see it right away, hover directly over the message again until the controls appear. From the menu that opens, click Delete Message. Slack may ask you to confirm the action depending on your workspace settings. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it carefully and continue only if you're sure. Keep in mind that deleting a message is usually permanent, so it's a good idea to double-check before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a message in Slack. As a quick tip, if you're unable to see the delete option, your workspace may have message retention or permission settings that limit what can be removed. In that case, you may only be able to delete messages you personally sent. Thanks for following along. This is a simple process once you know where to look, and it can make managing your Slack conversations much easier.